Good morning, dear students. Myself, Ms. Deepthi from Dips Scroll Park, and in today's lecture, we are going to do the question answers of Geography Chapter 7. So, let's start. The first question is answer these questions. What is the industrial reason? And answer is given on page number 57 in new terms. Industrial reasons are are the areas where industries have a tendency to grow close to each other. And question number 2 is name at least two industrial cluster each in Europe and USA. And answer is given on page number 57 in industrial region. The main region in Europe are Western, Central, and the Eastern Europe, and where is in America the Eastern Northern America, and the Western uh, Western part of America. Question number 3 is classify the industries on the basis of ownership and give at least one example of each case. Answer is given on page number 55 and 56. So, on the basis of ownership, the industries are divided into four groups. One first is the public sector, and industries are the fully owned or managed by the government or its agencies. An example are internal coaches, coach factory, iron and steel plant at Bhilai, ordnance factory, etc. Second is private sector, and industries are owned and managed by individual or a group of individuals or firms. The examples are Reliance Industry, Chambal Industry, Maruti Udyog Limited. Third is the joint sector industries are owned and managed jointly by the state and the private firms and individuals. Example are the Oil in India Limited, Punjab National Bank, etc. The fourth one is cooperative sector industries are owned and managed by a group of people who are the producer of raw materials such as the sugar mills in Maharashtra, and Amul in is another example. Next is question number 4. Name the categories of the industries on the base of a raw material, and answer is given on page number 55. On the basis of raw material, the industries are classified into four groups. One is agro based industry, second is marine based industry, second is mineral based industry, third is marine based industry, and fourth is the forest based industries. Question number 5th is describe the various component of an industrial system. Answer is given is on page number 56. The industrial system is depend upon three things: input, process, and output. So, input includes raw materials, source of power, cost of land and infrastructures, labor and transport. Whereas number 2 is process. The process includes all the method of techniques, and with the help of each the raw material is converted into a useful and valuable finished goods. Third is the inputs are the end products and profit earned after its selling in the market. Next question is name and explain the factor which influence the location of industry. Answer is given on page number 56. The development of industries depend upon the number 1 availability of raw material, number 2 source of power, number 3 labor, number 3 capital, and number 4 means of transport, number 5 market, and number 6 government policies, etc. Next question is What are the four industrial regions of India? An answer given in on page number 57. The four major the four major areas of industrial areas of India are the western industrial regions including Mumbai, Pune and Vadodara, Ahmedabad belt. Number 2 is the eastern industrial region includes Kolkata and Damodar Valley belt. Number 3, the southern industrial regions include the industrial cities of Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Madurai, Coimbatore, and the Chennai. Number 4, the northern industrial regions include the industrial cities of Delhi, Kanpur, Prayagraj, Varanasi, and Lucknow in the Ganga Yamuna Valley belt. And question number 8 is how has US become the wealthiest nation in the world? Answer is the US has become the wealthiest nation of the world by developing industrial and technological advancement. So these are the question answers of Geography chapter 7. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.